Hello, everyone. I am Adrenaline, the Bazooka Prophet, CEO Adrenaline Global Online Educational Platform. Now, in this particular video, we're going to be talking about still on molecular symmetry. In our previous video, we worked on the symmetry of ammonia, talking about its rotation around its axis and its reflection around the plane. Now, quickly, in this particular video, we're going to be talking about the rotation around the axis, right, of methane. Remember, methane molecule is having CH₄. So let us see the rotation around the axis of methane. Now remember, methane that is CH₄ will be having a 90-degree rotation. For ammonia, we worked on 120-degree rotation. So for example, if this is ammonia, if this is methane, here is HA, here is HB, here is HC, here is HD. Now, if it is to rotate in 90-degree, we take this first one here for methane to be E, which is the identity. If there is a rotation here, this is how it will be, right? So here will be HB, here will be HA, here will be HC, here will be what now? HD. We'll call this one C4. If there is another rotation again, here, of course, here will be HD, here will be HB, here will be HA, and here will be HC. We call here C4 2. If there's another rotation again here, right, continue from here, okay, here will be HC, HD, HB, HB, and here will be HA. At here will be called C4 3. My C4, my C4, like my C44 would give me back my identity. So instead of making to rotate it to another 90-degree again, I will get back this original one, which is the identity. These are the possible rotation around the axis that is found in a methane molecule. This video is short because we are going to be entering the part 3 of this episode, where we'll be going deeper and going much more intense, using it to solve symmetry operations, right? For now, do well to like, share, and subscribe, and do well to contact us for all your online live Zoom classes, where we are keen in transforming the life of younger generations all around the world. Why do we do this? Why do we teach every student all around the world? Because we are trying to create a society where education will still remain the paramount in the growth of any nation globally. Thank you, and God bless you.